practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. The gym mishap. Conversation between two friends Alex and Ryan. I'll play the role of Alex and you'll play the role of Ryan. Let's start. Hey, Ryan, how's it going? Haven't seen you in ages.
Alex, long time no see. I've been good. Just started going to the gym.
No way you? At the gym. That's something I gotta see.
Oh, trust me, it's been an adventure. Yesterday, I tried using the rowing machine.
How did that go?
Well, I didn't realize you had to strap your feet in, so halfway through, I rode myself right off the seat and landed on my butt.
Haha, classic Ryan. Did anyone see?
Oh, everyone saw. I think someone even recorded it. It might be on the gym's highlight reel now.
That's priceless. Any other gym disasters?
Oh, plenty. Like the time I got stuck in the leg press machine.
Stuck how?
I was pushing the weights and didn't notice. My shoelace got caught. When I tried to get Dot up, I couldn't move. Had to yell for help.
Oh man, you're like a walking sitcom. Did they get you out?
Eventually, the trainer had to untie my shoe and free me. I'm pretty sure they've labeled me as high maintenance now.
That's amazing. You should write a book about your gym adventures.
Maybe I will. Ryan's Gym Fails, a guide to what not to do.
I'd buy it. So any successes at the gym?
Well, I haven't broken any equipment yet, so I consider that a win.
Let's practice your English. Now. Hey, Ryan, how's it going? Haven't seen you in ages. No way you? At the gym. That's something I gotta see. How did that go? Haha, classic Ryan. Did anyone see? That's priceless. Any other gym disasters? Stuck how?
Oh man, you're like a walking sitcom. Did they get you out?
That's amazing. You should write a book about your gym adventures.
I'd buy it. So any successes at the gym? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.